We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this famous Spanish and more precisely Catalan painter from history. Yes, he was from Catalonia, the northeastern part of the country that has its own Catalan language. So how do you pronounce this? Many in English it is normally pronounced as Joan Miro. Joan Miro. If you want to say it like everybody else, that's how you may want to say it. But just so you know, it is not how it is said in Catalan, how he would have said it, but rather Joan Miro. Joan Miro. There would normally be an accent on the O at the end of his last name, Miro. So you want to insist on that O syllable, Joan Miro. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. More videos on how to pronounce the names of famous artists and painters that so many get wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.